noise has returned November 6th. I'm taping this around 3:15 in the morning. Can't zoom into nothing, sorry. I was talking to a friend. I called her. It's 3 hours away from my place, and she hears it as well. So it's not just where I'm living. This stuff is getting scary, boy. Anyway, it's cold. I'll be back videotaping if this gets louder again tonight. Thanks for watching.